Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a shortcut, our button shortcuts to our talkback function in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So first we have to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options. Where are they? Here are our accessibility options, and now in advanced settings we have side and volume up buttons as well as other buttons, so we can choose. Now we will use side and volume up buttons. So let's go here and we can choose talkback. Yes, we have to allow this option. Yes, turned off. Yes. Everything okay, and let's see if it's working. So a side button and up and volume up button simultaneously.
Talkback on.
And now our talkback is turned on, as you could hear. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.